In this problem, we're asked to solve a logarithmic equation. Remember, the process for logarithms is if the equation just has only logs, then you want to get the logs together on each side. If we have logs in other stuff, as we do here, we have the two logarithms here and we have a 2 on the other side, then we use our properties of logarithms to put those two logs together. First thing we would do is if we had any coefficients, we would absorb those first. We don't have that here. So we can go ahead and say, well, since they're being subtracted, log of a difference, that'll go on the top, x minus 3. And the x plus 4 factor will go on the bottom. And now we're equal to 2. Now this is just log. There's no subscript, so we know that means log base 10. And so now we raise the base to both sides. Again, being just log, the base is 10. If this was log sub 4, then we would raise 4 to both sides. But since it's log, that means it's base 10. We raise 10 to both sides. So 10 to the log, they cancel out. We just get x minus 3 over x plus 4. 10 to the second is 100. And now we have an equation that doesn't have any logarithms. And so we can go ahead and solve that equation. Because it is a fractional equation, we need to get rid of the fractions. So I would multiply both sides by my common denominator, x plus 4. On the left-hand side, I will get x minus 3. And distributing on the right-hand side, I will get 100x plus 400. 100x plus 400. And so now we just need to get x by itself. So we need the variable to go onto one side, and we need the number terms to go to the other side. And so we do that. I chose here to bring the 400 to the other side. Gives me negative 403. And bring the x term here to the other side. Give me 99x. So I get a negative 403 equals 99x. Negative 403 equals 99x. And we solve for x. So we get x equals negative 403 over 99, which would be like a negative 4 point something. Now remember, with log equations, once we've solved it, we do have to consider, does this answer work for the original equation? Because logs don't work for all values. So we do have to check, does this work? And really quickly we find out, no, it doesn't. If we plug that into the first thing, we have negative 403 over 99 minus 3. Not sure exactly what that is. We can punch it into a calculator, but it doesn't matter. It's negative. And logs are not defined for negatives. And so therefore, that needs to be canceled out because of that problem. And so that was our only answer, and it didn't work. So here, this problem would have no solution.